taste it. There you go. Just gave her some dewormer so she wasn't so for sure what I was sticking in her mouth that time. Good girl. Good girl. There you go. Good sit. Yeah, good sit. Good girl. Come. Good girl. Good girl. You want some of that action, yeah?
Can you tell me what we're doing today?
Well, today we're showing some more of the puppy's personalities. We're working with, I intentionally did not feed them this morning so they would be hungry. Good girl. Jumping don't count. Good sit. Good girl. Good girl. Oop, dropped that one. Good girl. So normally with my puppies, I train with them 5 minutes before I feed them, and I just use their food because they're usually good and hungry. Good girl. Good girl. And today I wanted you to see the difference between a high energy puppy like Yella and a laid back puppy like Tan. Now neither one of them's good or bad, it's just a matter of what you're looking for. Yella, you're gonna need a high energy puppy if you want a puppy to hunt with or to work as a service dog, because service dogs work 7 days a week, 24 hours a day. Hunting dogs have to be willing to go anytime, day or night. Good girl. Sit. Good girl. Good girl, Tan.
Now,
Good
what
girl.
technique was that?
That's the luring technique, whereas I just took her food, lured her into the sit position. Now that she's in the sit position, we're gonna try to lure her. Come. Good girl. And all I'm looking for there is a step. Good girl. Sit. Good girl. Good girl. Now the thing with a low energy dog here is she may not want to go out and hunt on really cold, wet days if she's not feeling it. But she also is less likely to be destructive if you don't have something for her to do all the time. Whereas Yella, if you don't give Yella something to do, as you can see, Yella's gonna find something to do. And it may not always be what you want her to do if you don't have enough stuff that you want her to do. So this is what we work for to try to find, where you at, baby? Find their drive and their energy levels, and then match them up with what the owners tell us they're looking for. Good girl. Sit. Good girl. Good sit. See if you'll go down for me. And we're trying to put her in. Good girl. And she's down. Good girl. Good down. Oh, get back up where I can get to you. All right, good girl. You eat my fingers instead of the food, silly. If you quit chomping, you'd get it. Sometimes you have to have more patience with a higher energy dog than you do a lower energy. And then sometimes they're easier to work with because you don't have to coax them to get them to do what you want them to do. Good girl. Sit, good sit. Now I'm gonna try to get Tan to go down. We're not gonna actually give her the command until she does it. And she got distracted with the crocodile. Good girl. Good girl. I'm just ignoring Yella and working with Tan. She got out, so we're gonna put her back in the sit. Sit. Good girl. Good girl, baby. Good girl. Went ahead and rewarded that again to keep her encouraged. If she goes too long without getting any food, she'll give up. Good girl. All right. Good girl. Good girl. You too distracted watching Yella go crazy, aren't you? Yella? 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 Uh-oh, potty break. No, no. No, no, no. You're not supposed to go in here. You're supposed to go outside.